Hello guys, let's have this question that is displayed on the screen. So 8 raised by x equal to square root of 4, then square root of 2. So this square root is covering both this 4 and root 2. So the first thing we're going to do here is to remove this square root here, or radical sign here. So we are going to do that by raising both sides to the power of 2. Alright, so because that's the only way we can remove this square root. So what we have here is 8 raised power. So according to indices, if you have a raised power x multiplied by, or rather raised to the power of 10, this can be expressed as a raised power 10 times x is equals to 10x. So we're going to apply this law of indices here. So we're going to multiply this x and 2. So it's going to be 2x then equal to, now this and this will cancel, because this square root, what it means is half. That's if you want to rewrite this root 4 into root 2, you can write it as 4 root 2 all raised to power half because of this square root. So by the time you raise e to the power of 2 again, so 2 times half is going to be 1. So you're going to be left with only 4 root 2. Alright, so we're going to have here 4 root 2. So the next step is to get rid of this square root sign. Again, we're going to raise both sides to the power of 2. So we have square here and then square. We're going to have 8 raised to the power of 2 times 2x is equals to 4x, then equal to, now we are going to have this 4 square then multiplied by root 2 square. So that's the interpretation of this thing. So I have 8 raised to the power 4x equal to 4 times 4 is equals to 16 multiplied by root 2 times root 2, that is root 2 square, is equals to 2. So we're going to have 8 raised to the power 4x is equals to 16 times 2 is equals to 32. So we can express this 8 and 32 to be in the form of 2 raised to the power of a certain number. So when we come to this 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 3. Alright, so we're going to raise everything to the power of 4x then equal to 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power 3 times 4x is equals to 12x then equals to 2 raised to the power 5. So because the bases are the same, we can cancel them and then equate the exponents. When we do that, we are going to have 12x is equals to 5. So let's divide both sides by 12. So this and this will cancel. Then we now have that x is equals to 5 over 12. And so this 5 over 12 is in its simplest term. So this is going to be the answer to this question. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Also remember to share with your friends.